What's up, Bratans? Quick update about Bitcoin. What is happening right now? I have a huge news which coming out today, which is, in my opinion, reasonable for this pump. And I wanted to show you this. So let's watch this. First, I show you here. Al Jazeera wrote, some Russian forces... Blood. Here, again. Some Russian forces near Ukraine returned to bases. This was 1 hour ago. And also here, a stock future jumps on report that Russia is returning some troops to bases. Therefore, I say to you guys, it's also for us very important not only do TA, but combine it with news, because this is even much stronger, right? So, and let's now go to into the charts and see what's happening. I told you yesterday, guys, that if we are making it above the EMA ribbon, we see a pump, right? I said to you to 43,500 at least, right? I said to you this is the next resistance, and look at this, man. This is so crazy. I told you 43,500, and therefore you see we had this also resistance coming in. So congratulations to everyone who took here this long trade and make 2.3% and on 10x leverage even 23%, right? And now we see further pump, right? We see further Bitcoin pumping. Is this right now the pump which we are all waiting for or not? And yes, let's watch how far we can go. The next bigger resistance will be at 45,000, right? So this is the next bigger resistance, 45,000. And bear here with me, because I have also want to show you something bullish which could maybe work out, but we have to watch. So 45,000, right? But even though we have this pump, guys, I don't see here any volume coming in. I have to be honest with you. So congratulations to everyone who took the small trade, but at the moment, I don't see, it looks more like a fake out because I don't see any volume coming in. So please be very careful. Take your profits here at this 45,000 level, or maybe right now, in my opinion. It's not financial advice. I would, if I would be in a long position, you know, I am still in my short position, I would take here some profits, right? So please be here very, very careful right now. And it could be that we see something like this. And this we saw very often, a pump, maybe even to the 45,000 level, and then we see this huge dump, right? So please here be very careful, set your stop loss properly. And now I want to go to the daily. And on the daily, you see we make it also above the EMA ribbon right now, but we have to close also clearly above the EMA ribbon. And one candle is not enough, like you see here. We closed even 3 candles, but this was not so strong candles. So we saw again breaking down the EMA ribbon. Let's watch how the daily candle opens. And I wanted to show you here also, some YouTubers also had this shown you, but I didn't show you because it was not finished in my opinion right now, and it's still not like it will 100% work out. We see here inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head, right? So, and you measure a head and shoulders. If you watch my videos, guys, you know already. You measure it from the top to the downside, right? So I measured not the... Okay, let's take the wick also to see what is the best thing which could work out. So if we break this neckline, just a moment. So if we break, maybe a little bit, if we break this neckline, which would be at 44,800, I would say better 45,000, clearly with volume on a daily, we could see Bitcoin, technically the price tag would be 55,900. This would be amazing because if the price target 55,900 would work out, we would see on a weekly EMA ribbon, look at this. This would be for me huge bullish sign, and maybe I would jump also in long positions because if we close, not just breaking up, right? If we close a weekly at 55,900, this would be for me a reason to jump into long positions. But this only technical, guys. You know, this only technical, because if we are going again on the daily, I just try to be realistic and show you guys. We saw at first a resistance clearly here where we already had at 55,800 approximately. If we're breaking this resistance, the next stop would be approximately at 58,500. Because why? Because we see here a lot of resistance. We see here support, resistance, right? So please be very careful. I would, if we are breaking this neckline, and if you're then in a long position, I would take some profits. You don't have to take all, but I would take some risk at 48,500 approximately, in my opinion. Not financial advice, that's what I'm doing. I'm even though still in my short position, because if I'm watching right now this breakout that we broke the EMA ribbon, and I told you and expected that we see small pump, but I still don't see here any volume coming in. It's not strong volume. It could be really a fake out that we see everybody on you know the way it's one that you wake up in the morning with shit in your face that you barely cannot breathe, right? So everyone jumping long, and then they're shorting and fuck everyone. This could be, guys, nobody knows. Therefore, I see no volume. I stay still in my short position. Also, the news are good. The news which I showed you today, right? This news are very good. Stock future report that Russia is returning some troops to bases. That they're returning to bases. It's very good. But all in all, the news right now not too much good. So we have to wait. I showed you, right? I showed you, maybe I show you also one thing. If we see here a turnaround, let me watch on the RSI is a little bit overbought. This is also very interesting. Oh, 1 hourly is very overbought. This means that we will see here a consolidation or a dump. Let me watch on the daily quickly. Yeah, daily is also overbought slightly. So yeah, I don't know. Therefore I still in my short position, guys. If you took here long, how I said to you, you make some profits. Congratulations. But if we see here turning around, this is a good opportunity. If we see here turning around, if we see breaking down until the EMA ribbon until the 4 hourly EMA ribbon, this is a good position to short, right? Here would be good short position to short if we break under the EMA ribbon, because we go at least at our support line at 40,290 right now. So 4.8%, it's 48%. And if we are breaking on a daily, this huge inverse head and shoulders, there's an opportunity at 55,000, I would say, if we clearly close a daily above with clear volume also coming in, there is a possibility to long Bitcoin. And let me check if we are going to my price target 48,500 at least, it would be 8.4%, so 84%. Guys, if you want also to trade, here I have a bonus for you, 8,200 in bonus for free after initial deposit. A link down below, 1 minute registration, guys. If you're not professional trader, claim your bonus 8,200 and just after initial deposit and just buy through spot. It's 1 minute registration. If you are already registered on Bybit and Phoenix, you can also claim this bonus again. Just make a new account, right? Make a whole new account and with my affiliate and get this 8,200 bonus. And obviously it's affiliate link, so you're also supporting me with this, right? So guys, okay, this was for me right now. From me, I'm back in Germany. So, but I will tomorrow fly in a Bitcoin farming in the eastern countries. I will also make their video, so it will be very, very interesting. Tell me, what do you think about it? Which questions do you have? I will consider in the next video. Don't forget about this bonus, 8,200 in bonus. Claim it right now. Go link down below. I kiss you and I see you guys a little bit later, yes? Mwah.